In this section, we are going to talk about formulas. Here are the steps to solve a formula for a given variable. Step 1. If the variable for which you are solving appears in a fraction, use the multiplication principle to clear fractions. Step 2. Isolate the term or terms with the variable for which you are solving on one side of the equation. If two or more terms contain the variable for which you are solving, factor the variable out. Finally, multiply or divide to solve for the variable in question. Here's an example. Let's solve for t. I'm going to rewrite this. We have t minus u over 3 equals to 4. Now, we're solving for t, and remember the first step was if the variable we're solving for contains a fraction, then clear the fraction. So since the t minus u is being divided by 3, we are going to multiply the left side of the equation by 3 in order to clear the fraction. And if you multiply the left side by 3, we would multiply the right side by 3 as well. So now we have left t minus u on the left side and 4 times 3, which is 12 on the right side. Since the t is being subtracted by u, its inverse would be to add u. So we can say t equals to u plus 12. But remember, if there's a fraction involved with the variable we're looking for, we need to clear the fraction. Here's another example. Let's solve for y. 2x minus 3y equals to 12. Because we're solving for y, we would first move the 2x to the right. Since the 2x is positive, we would subtract 2x from each side. And we would write negative 3y. You could leave this as 12 minus 2x, but let's get in the habit of writing the variable first. So write the negative 2x first and then the positive 12 second. Since the y is being multiplied by negative 3, the inverse operation of multiplication is going to be division. So we're going to divide each side, or each term rather, by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1, so we have the y isolated. Negative divided by negative is positive, so this gives us positive 2 over 3x. Positive divided by negative is a negative, which gives us a negative 4. So our answer is y equals to positive 2 over 3x minus 4. This time, let's solve for w. We have w minus z plus x divided by y equals to 2. Let me rewrite this. W minus z plus x divided by y equals to 2. First step, since we're looking for w, we need to clear the fraction. In order to clear the fraction, we would multiply the left side of the equation by y and the right side of the equation also by y. So the y and y would cross cancel. We would be left with w minus z plus x equals to 2y. Now we're looking for w. The w is being subtracted by z, so we can add z to each side. And this will give us w plus x on the left side and 2y plus z on the right side. Since the w is being added by x, let's subtract x from each side, and we would have w equals to 2y plus z minus x. Since the y, z, and x are not like terms, this would be the answer in terms of w.